Stop chasing dead ends and start connecting with your leads. Here's how Batchleads skip tracing can revolutionize your outreach. First things first, navigate to your Batchleads dashboard and locate the prominent Skip Trace button. This is your gateway to unlocking accurate contact information. Clicking this will open up a skip trace request window here. You'll select the specific lead or a batch of leads you want to run through the skip tracing process. You can choose individual leads for targeted searches, or, for greater efficiency, select multiple leads to process in bulk. This is a real time saver for busy real estate professionals. Once you've made your selection, confirm your request. Batchleads will then begin its powerful search to find updated contact details for your selected leads. Within moments, you'll receive your skip trace results. This vital report will display the most current phone numbers and physical addresses associated with your leads, giving you a fresh perspective for your outreach. Now for the crucial step, updating your lead records. Look for the Update Lead button directly alongside the skip trace results. Clicking this seamlessly integrates the new information into your existing lead profile. Observe as the system effortlessly populates the correct fields, ensuring your CRM is always powered by the most accurate and up-to-date contact information available. By consistently utilizing Batchleads skip tracing, you're not just finding data. You're enhancing your ability to connect, build relationships, and ultimately close more deals. Start skip tracing today and elevate your real estate success.